In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Gemini not launching on your MacBook. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that Gemini isn't open in the background. So to do this, if you press on the Apple logo, go to Force Quit. And if Gemini is running in the background, then it will show here. So you can see I've clearly got mine open. So I'll select Gemini and press Force Quit. Force Quit again. Okay, so now that's done, what we need to do is clear our cache. So to do this, you need to press Shift Command G. And now you need to type in this. I'll leave it in the top line of the description. Now press Enter, press Edit, select all, File, move to bin. Now what we need to do is clear the cache on our browser. So open up the browser that you typically use. For me it's Chrome, so what I'm going to do is press the three dots here, go to Delete Browsing Data, make sure that cached images and files are selected, and set the time frame to just before this issue arose. Now press Delete Data. Now once you follow these steps, what you need to do is go to your bin, right click on it, and press Empty Bin. Once you've done that, you need to restart your computer and it should be working. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.